Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Abel and I'm an IT professional passionate about helping you master the tech skill in real world. In today's video, we will be diving into Windows deployment. We look at what is it, why is it important, and how you can set it up efficiently in your environment. Whether you are thinking of managing few number of PC to rolling it out in your entire organization, this guide will help you build a solid foundation that can help you get started. So let's begin. First, what is Windows deployment? Simply put, it's a process of installing Windows operating system along with applications, along with drivers and settings on multiple devices. That could mean you're having a single PC and then you are replicating or duplicating the PC across various other PC or systems. For IT admins, this could mean setting up dozens to even hundreds to even thousands of laptops with consistent configuration while saving time as well as minimizing or reducing manual effort. There are a variety of methods to do this, from manually installing it on various devices to fully automated solution. But in this video, we will explore one of the most common and scalable approach to deploy Windows, which is using Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, which is MDT, as well as Windows Deployment Services, which is WDS. So before we begin, let's quickly look at what are the term or what are the words we'll get to come across while we are going through the deployment process. First, we'll come across something called the WDS. So what is WDS? WDS stands for Windows Deployment Services, which is a Windows server role that allows you to deploy Windows image over a network using PXE boots. It works well with MDT to allow network-based unattended installation of Windows on client machines. WinPE or Windows Pre-Installation Environment is a lightweight version of Windows. It is used during deployment, recovery, and troubleshooting. WinPE boots from memory and provide a minimal environment for installing Windows, running script, or capturing image. It plays a crucial role in MDT-based deployment as it is used to boot into the deployment process. Next, Windows ADK. What is Windows ADK? The Windows ADK or Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit include the core tool needed for Windows deployment. This includes DISM, which lets you capture service and deploy Windows image, Windows System Image Manager, which is used to create and edit answer files, WinPE, which we just covered. So the ADK is a prerequisite for MDT and WDS because it provides the engine behind the image customization and deployment. Next, Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, for short MDT. MDT is a free tool from Microsoft that simplifies and automates the deployment of Windows operating systems and applications. With MDT, you can create deployment shares, you can define task sequence, and build custom images. It supports both light touch deployment where some manual input is required and zero touch, which is fully automated when integrated with tools like System Sender Configuration Manager, for short XCCM. Alright, let's talk about what you need to get started. First, you will need a Windows server, which is where you install the WDS as well as your MDT. Also, you will need a Windows ISO file, which preferably could be a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 image. Also, you need a test machine, which could be a virtual machine or a physical machine, which of course will capture the image that we are going to deploy on other machines. So if you are ready, if you have the tool ready just like I'm ready, let's get started with the demo.